This bird looks harmless until it charges at you. Meet the cassowary, often called the world's most dangerous bird. Standing over 6 feet tall, it has razor-sharp claws that can slash through predators. But here's the twist. Despite its terrifying reputation, it usually avoids humans and attacks only when threatened. Would you stand 10 feet away from a cassowary? Comment yes or no, and subscribe for more wild animal facts. So the next time you see this colorful bird, remember, looks can be deceiving. Here's the scary part. Its dagger-like claws